Sorry for all the changes, but I'm trying to let you see the color. If those of you that like to see stuff in color so you can separate out the concept, that's what I'm trying to do. So then, over to A, which is 1. A is 1. All right. Do y'all get what I just did here so far? I took the values in the equation. I took them to the quadratic equation. Quadratic formula, sorry. And I plugged in my values and I color coded. You don't have to color code when you work this out on your own, but it's just something I do so my people can the visual learners can understand what's going on. So now, I simplify, okay? So -2 plus or minus the square root of, what's 2 squared? 2. No.
2.
4. 4. 4. What's a negative times a negative is a? Huh? A negative times a negative is a? Positive. So 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 plus 8 over 2 times 1 is 2. Now, I'm not done yet. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12 over 2. I'm still not done yet. If I break 12 up, I can do 4 times 3. I could do 6 times 2. But if I do 6 times 2, I cannot take anything out of the house, is what I call it. This right here is like a house, okay? I'm gonna show you what I mean. So, if I take 4 out the house, meaning that if I can take something out the house, what that means is I can take the square root evenly. Okay, so the square root of 4 is how much? 2, right? So this will be -2 plus or minus 2 square root of 3. 3 stays inside the house because I can't take the square root of a 3 evenly. I can take the square root of a 9 evenly, which is 3, but I can't take the square root of a 3 evenly. Does that make sense? Okay? Now, I'm still not done yet because the 2's can go away now. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So my answer is going to be -1 plus or minus the square root of 3. And these are my 2 answers. Not 1 answer, but 2. -1 plus radical 3, -1 minus radical 3 are my answers.